What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best DoorDash promo codes in 2024, and it is actually so easy to go ahead and do this, guys. I've managed to find some promo codes for DoorDash that are going to get you at least $100 off your next order, and you can also get a bunch of free food as well, guys. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how you can go about getting your DoorDash coupon codes for 2024. So you can see I've got my mobile phone here, so make sure you have a mobile phone with an internet connection, and you've got to open up the internet and go to www.wavycoupons.com. So if you need to, you can pause the video to copy the website here. And this is the site you need to find, guys, Wavy Coupons. This is an awesome website. I discovered them a few weeks ago, and I keep returning to find more and more promo codes that are actually beneficial. So you can go to the search bar at the top of the page here on Wavy Coupons and search for DoorDash, and it should just pop up DoorDash, free credit and food coupons. So this is the website you need to navigate your way to. I should say web page. And scroll down. Now you can see, guys, these are limited coupon codes. So these DoorDash codes are limited in number. So there is a process to unlock your personal code. Now you can see you can get a $100 DoorDash account credit code, or you can get your next 3 DoorDash food orders for free. So select the code you want, and this will pop up. So I've chose the $100 account credit code, and you can see I need to unlock my personal DoorDash promo code. Now this is completely normal and of course completely free. It will take you about 5 minutes to basically verify you're not a robot looking to steal the codes. But once you've done that, it will reveal the full code. So I've already done this, and these codes are limited, but what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap unlock code, and you're going to see a new screen when this gets to 100%. So that is it, guys. You've just got to go to Wavy Coupons and make sure you do follow all of the instructions, especially for the verification process. You need to complete a couple of these like free tasks, but once you've done that, your full code will be fully revealed, and you can enter it into the DoorDash app for your account credit. So that is the best DoorDash promo codes. Head on over to Wavy Coupons, and that's going to save you a bunch of time because I spent hours from searching. And yeah, enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time.